Meet Assembled. Our workforce management platform brings together forecasting, scheduling, and reporting all in one place. Improve your SLA performance with a complete picture of staffing at a glance. Know what to expect with accurate out-of-the-box forecasting, and customize for any occasion. Scheduling just got a lot easier. Thanks to intuitive templates and automations, you'll cut scheduling time by 70%. Along the way, agents stay in the loop thanks to seamless integrations that meet them where they are. Reporting connects the dots for you, revealing how accurate forecasts were relative to actual demand and how your teams and BPOs are performing in real time. So you can see where improvements are needed and better prepare for what's ahead. Assembled syncs with your tech stack, serving as the one source of truth that can handle today's challenges and tomorrow's expectations. See how Assembled can supercharge your entire support team.